Hi friends. These days we all are dealing with some form of stress, whether it's from work, relationships, or studies. Stress has become a part of our lives. But do you know that a simple change in your diet can help you manage stress effectively? Today I am going to share top dry fruits that can naturally help reduce stress and boost your overall health and happiness. So let's dive in. Stress is a natural response our body has to challenges, fears, or difficult situations. Stress isn't necessarily bad. It can motivate us to meet deadlines or face challenges. When we experience prolonged stress, high levels of cortisol is released, which can lead to anxiety and fatty liver. Including foods rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, omega 3 fatty acids, and zinc can significantly help in reducing stress. So, the top dry fruits that are packed with nutrients and can help reduce stress levels are almond, cashews, and walnut. Almonds are a superfood that are incredibly beneficial for both your mind and body. Almonds acts as a natural stress buster packed with powerhouse nutrients, magnesium, and vitamin E. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating your nerves and keeping the stress hormone cortisol in check, helping you feel more relaxed. Vitamin E protects your brain cells from oxidative stress, which can enhance your mood and maintain steady energy levels. So, soak 5 to 6 almonds overnight and enjoy them peeled in the morning. You can chew them as it is or include in the almond shake. Add them to your oats or sprinkle them on salads. Incorporating almonds in your diet will not only help manage your stress levels but also enhance brain function, memory, and overall health. And the second dry fruit to help reduce stress levels is walnuts. Walnuts not only do elevate stress but also promote brain health and elevate your mood. If you take a closer look at walnuts, they look like brain. Walnuts are rich in omega 3 fatty acids and vitamin B6, both are which effective in reducing stress. Omega 3 fatty acids are a special type of fats that supports brain health and help reduce inflammation, leading to natural decrease in stress symptoms. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in boosting serotonin levels in the body. To incorporate walnuts in your diet, consider eating 4 to 5 soaked walnut halves each morning. Walnuts help lower your stress levels, but they'll also ensure your mental clarity and focus. Walnuts have wonderful benefits for your skin and hair. And the last dry fruit beneficial for reducing stress is cashews. Cashews are not only delicious but they are an excellent option for reducing stress. These nuts are rich in powerful nutrients, zinc, dietary fiber, and magnesium. Zinc is a vitamin mineral that directly impacts stress and anxiety levels. Deficiency in zinc can lead to increased feelings of anxiety and restfulness. Triphenyl, an amino acid found in cashews, help produce serotonin, a happy hormone which reduces tension and supports relaxation. Magnesium in cashews further aids in calming your muscles and nerves while ensuring proper nervous system function. By consuming 5 to 6 cashew nuts daily can help relax your mind and uplift your mood. So these dry fruits help elevating stress, tension, and anxiety. The ideal mix includes 5 to 6 soaked and peeled almonds, 4 to 5 soaked walnut halves, and 5 to 6 cashews. This combination is perfect for your daily intake. For added boost of relaxation, take these dry fruits in the form of a smoothie. Avoid processed or salted nuts found in packets as they often contain added spices and unhealthy oils and excessive salt, which can increase your stress and harmful to your heart. So keep in mind that this is a natural remedy and the body takes time to heal. You will notice a gradual decrease in your stress levels. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And leave a comment to let me know your thoughts. Remember to keep smiling, keep laughing, and keep learning something new every day to maintain your health. Take care. Bye bye.